Hi Math, I'm Andy. Today we're going to look at differentiation, and we're going to talk about the specific differentiation rule, the product rule. Now this works when you have two functions that are being multiplied together and you want to take the derivative of those two functions. Now basically what happens is you take the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first function. And so we would say f of x g prime of x plus g of x f prime of x. So let's take a look at maybe an example that might help us. Let's say that we're given some function, let's call it h of x, just to kind of keep it different from f and g. Now h of x is the function 3x minus x squared times 5 plus 2x. So we'll just say that this is some function. Now we notice that it actually really consists of one function times another. So h of x really is comprised of two functions being multiplied together. So what we're going to do is kind of label these to help us just make sense of this. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to say this is what I'll call f of x. And then we'll say this part of h of x is what we're going to call g of x. And so we now have our f of x and our g of x. So I'm going to follow this product rule to produce the derivative of h of x. So we have the derivative, so d dx of h of x is equal to, and we're just going to follow the code that we see. F of x, which is 3, I wanted to write it in blue just to kind of follow my sight, 3x minus x squared. G prime of x, that's going to be the derivative of 5 plus 2x. Well, the derivative of 5 is 0, and the derivative of 2x is just 2, so g prime of x is 2, plus g of x, which is 5 plus 2x, times f prime of x. And so now we need the derivative of this. Well, the derivative of 3x is 3, and the derivative of x squared is 2x. So we end up with 3 minus 2x. And so this is our chain rule. This really is the derivative of h. But as a math student, we might just simplify this answer together. And so I might just say that h prime of x, so the derivative of h, is equal to 6x minus 2x squared plus, and then I need to FOIL this. I need to kind of first, outer, inner, last multiply these two binomials, and I end up with a 15 minus 10x plus 6x minus 4x squared. So when I want to multiply these together, I do that first, outer, inner, last, and I end up with 15 minus 10x plus 6x minus 4x squared. And then I would just see if there's any like terms that I can combine. And I notice that there are. There's a minus 2x squared and a minus 4x squared. So that's a negative 6x squared. There's a 6x minus 10x is negative 4x plus 6x is 2x. And then there's this plus 15. So using our product rule, we're able to determine that the derivative of h is negative 6x squared plus 2x plus 15.